Hi, Anitra Bular. I am going to finish up on my experiment for the meth red testing for microbial identification. And so part 2 of this exercise, of this experiment, I need to pour this cultured E. coli that's in the MRVP broth. It incubated for a couple of days, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my tubes that are right here. Move it over so you can see it. There. I've already labeled my tubes. Oh, you know what? I don't know if I'm supposed to. It doesn't say. Oh, it doesn't say I have to sterilize it, so I'm just going to go for it. Oh, don't spill. Half one, half another. I think one might have more than way more. Even that out a little bit. Oh, that's good. We have those. And then I'll do, this is the S epidermidis. I think I did the same with this one. I think I don't know how I did that. Way more in the other one. Alright, that's even. About even. Okay, next. Let's see what these things are. So next I am to move the tip, and I need to drop 7 drops of into each one of each of those. So I have my method tip. And do 2 in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I drop those in. And next, immediately observe the color of the broth. Okay, well, I need to lift these bad boys up to do that. This one, I cannot see what those looks like. Well, obviously there's the red is sitting at the top, but it's kind of making it one pillow. Let's see the other one. So it's, if the test is positive, the broth would be red or pink in color. So with these, it's definitely red. I mean, but it's not red all the way through. It's sitting at the top, so I think this one, the E. coli one, is like the red is like sitting at the top. It's not, and it's not like throughout. But the other one, well, it kind of is, but it's just more of it. So I'm a little confused. I'm gonna be honest. Or pink color. So I'm gonna go with their positive because it's red. I think if it wasn't, it would just be yellow all the way through. Like this one is more yellow. So if I was going to say one was negative, I would say the E. coli was. This one is definitely positive. So that's my observation for that. And then I'll be taking photos of this eater. And then I'm going to turn this around and see if I can get, hopefully the time doesn't make a difference when I take the photos because I like to keep the video going. So the next test is the Vagus Proskauer test. And so I have my Barrett's A reagent. And this, I will hit it 12 drops. Into each one. So I'll start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then there's the reagent B, and that one's only 4. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm gonna go ahead and shake them. Sit in there. And these have to sit for 30 minutes. So I will be back in 30 minutes.